When cooking shrimp, it is important to ensure it is cooked through. To determine if shrimp is cooked, look for an opaque white color with pops of orange or pink, a curved C shape, and a tender texture. It's best to cook shrimp in the same size together for even results. Lay the shrimp out in a single layer with space in between for even cooking, and check your shrimp's color, shape, texture, or temperature after about 3 minutes in most cases. Cooking times will vary depending on the method, size, and amount of shrimp. You can use a food thermometer to check that the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius or higher. If you don't have a thermometer, cut open the thickest part of a shrimp to check for a white color throughout the inside.